very important. Grade 2. What are the story elements? They are characters, setting, plot. Okay, and the theme of the story, and sometimes we can say the conflict and resolution, or the problem and the solution. So the first element is characters. The characters are the people and animals in the story. The setting, where did the story take place? Where did it take place? That means it will tell us about the place and the time. The problem, sometimes the characters in the story facing problems, and the solution, how did they solve this problem? So the characters are people and animals in the story. The setting are the place and the time. Where did the story take place? What about the problem? The problem are the things that happen to the main character that it changes the story. Okay? The solution is, how did they solve this problem? What did they do to solve this problem? Now we will talk about the theme of the story. The theme of the story is very important. What's the meaning of theme in the beginning? The theme is the message or the moral of the story. Hamza, sit properly. Muhammad Osama, turn on your cam. We're going to start our lesson. I want you to concentrate. What's the meaning of the theme of the story? The theme is the message or the moral lesson of the story. So what's the theme again? The theme of the story is the main message the author wants to tell the reader. To find them, you should think about what the characters say and do. So, how can you figure out the theme of the story? You should start by figuring out its thematic topic. What's the meaning of thematic topic? Some stories can be about lots of things. Stories can be about lots of things. For example, they can be about friendship, respect, about love or family, for example. So in the beginning, you should find the thematic topic. Then the next step, you should ask yourself about, what did they tell us about this topic? Okay, you should ask yourself, what does the author want us to learn from this story? So you should look for clues about this topic. For example, let's talk about our story, The Sun and Moon. What happens in the story? The sun and moon, they change their house and they make it bigger because they want the sun to come to their house. So they make it bigger and they invite the sun to visit them. And when the sun gets in their house and it takes all the place, what did they do? They fly to the sky to live there. So the topic here is love, family, or friendship. Yes, Hamza. Don't open it, Khadija. Just listen. Yes, Hamza.
Yes, miss.
What is the theme here? Friendship, love, or family?
Family.
No, they are not family. The water was their friend. So it's about family or friendship again.
Friendship.
It's
Friendship.
about friendship. Excellent. Now let's think. What do the author want us, or what does the author want us to learn from the story? I think the author wants us to know that true friendship requires sacrifice. What's the meaning of sacrifice? That's mean to help our friends and to give them sometimes what we need, like the sun and moon give them or give the water their house. So the true friendship requires sacrifice. Okay? So the theme is the message or the lesson the author is giving to the reader. Now let's open your book and answer the questions about the theme. Your turn practice book, page number 183. 183, and let's write the date. Your turn practice book, page number 183. Abdulaziz and Hamza, turn on your cam. Aline, if you are here, turn on your cam. If you are here, Aline, turn on your cam. 183. Let me open my book. So, read the passage, use the visualize strategy to form picture in your mind about what happens in the play. I want you to imagine this play in your mind, okay? The first here in the beginning, let's read the title of the story.